This is my favorite part, right here. Let's go.
What's up, YouTubes? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Hello. How are you? I'm doing okay. Just want to make sure you're doing well as good as well, right? Yeah. Anyways, real quick, before we get into the video, I want you to challenge you. I want to see if you can click that thumbs up right here. It's right here. And then smash that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, caress that bell notification icon right there in the corner. When you do that, you get to become in the elite membership of the Suburban Beard notification squad. And then we can be in this together till the end. What's up, YouTubes? Justin and I split up just around dinner time to go home and have dinner. And I just need to find some more hidden clearance for you. I'm at Walmart. We're going to go in, find some hidden clearance, find some deals, and have some fun. What's up, YouTubes? So I'm gonna post some embarrassing photos of myself in an outfit that is on hidden clearance, but now I heard there was actually some good deals on like the Papazon chairs and some of the furniture and stuff like that. I don't what are you doing? You said you weren't coming back out tonight.
I knew you had stuff going on, but I just kind of had to come back out. I was so excited from earlier. I think I just nodded out here for a second. What time is it?
It's like 10:30. What are you doing here?
I don't know, man. I'm tired. But I couldn't stop. You know, I just had to get all this clearance in. Look at.
Are you literally just here to find hidden clearance?
I am.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna pause here for a second and make sure Justin's okay. He's apparently just scanning hidden clearance for the last 12 hours. So yeah, talk to you soon. So I think this is reverse hidden clearance. 44 in store, 70 online. But we're going to keep finding more. What's up, YouTubes? Suburban Beard here, helping you find the hidden clearance and find the deals. I wanted to let you know I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible for you to make sure that you understand how to scan and how to get these hidden clearance deals. So down below in the description, you're going to see all the links to all the apps I use. It's Target, Walmart, Dollar General, Amazon, and eBay. In each of those stores, you're going to want to use their apps. So Target app in Target, Walmart, obviously in Walmart, and Dollar General in Dollar General. But there's some other tricks to it.
No tricks.
Since there's always a price match policy.
Example, we have this price match policy.
At all of these stores, you can scan with the Amazon app. You can scan in Target with a Walmart app and see if the price is cheaper somewhere else.
It's cheaper.
Now, obviously, when you scan that, you can just go buy it somewhere else cheaper if you wanted to. But since you're already in that store, if you scan it at a Walmart app, it'll pop up the Walmart's price. You can go when you check out and say, I want Walmart's price. Just like if it's cheaper online at Target and you're in Target and you scan with the Target app and that online price is cheaper at Target, they'll price match their own website as well.
Price match policy.
So I just wanted to make sure to drop in, say hi, and let you know down in the description.
In the description
is the links to Android and Apple to their respective app stores to be able to download those apps. The other part of that, the reason I have the Amazon and eBay app is that you can also scan to see just where the price is.
Where is it?
Is as well. At Walmart and Target, they will price match with Amazon as long as Amazon is the seller.
Amazon.
Multiple people can actually sell the same item through Amazon, but as long as Amazon is the actual seller, Target and Walmart will price match that also.
Example, we have this price match policy.
On top of that, The other reason I have the eBay and Amazon app listed down below is if you are in a store and you see something, you can scan it on eBay and scan on Amazon. 1, to see if it's cheaper, and 2, to see where like kind of the price point is.
Amazon Prime.
If you're a reseller, this is an awesome opportunity to see if maybe you can make a couple bucks on the item.
I seize weapons at police auctions and resell them on the internet.
Or if you're just looking for the best deal, sometimes it may be better to buy from eBay or from Amazon, something along those lines, and find that item even cheaper. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi, drop in, give you the info, the links below, and help you along your way in finding hidden clearance. Awesome. Back to the action. One last thing real quick. In the next scene, I'm going to have the pop-up on the screen recording from my phone in Walmart, showing you how fast and how easy it is to scan products right in Walmart. You can scan the actual barcode on the product. You can scan the little barcode next to the price tag. It'll all pull up the same thing. The only time it's a little different is if you're in the clearance aisle.
Clearance sale.
Sometimes those items you want to scan the UPC barcode, but then the barcode in store shows you an in-store price. Now, that doesn't mean the price can't be cheaper online, but you want to check both. And that's why you want to make sure you have all those apps, because then you can scan that product in all the different companies and all the different places that are selling the item, and see if you can find a better price that way as well. All right. Here we go.
Oh my God.
If anybody's looking for last minute gift ideas,
We did, we're together. I remember this. You remember this game? Can I hurt you? Hit me.
I did, I mentioned. This is Street Fighter 2 edition too, dude.
Oh, so that's probably the good one.
$2.99. Arcade 1-up. Street Fighter 2. $229.99 online.
Wow. That's $70.
I think they'll pull stuff off the...
I'll tell you about some poor advertising and tell you what it is.
One last thing I forgot. I almost completely forgot to add it in. The other place to search for products is BrickSeek. BrickSeek is a website where you can type in a UPC code, the name of an item, just something you're looking for, and it'll show you the prices across multiple stores and even show you the locations where they're being sold at. So another option, if like you're in Walmart, for instance, you can scan that item through BrickSeek, and BrickSeek will then help you find it, and you'll see if it's cheaper at another Walmart or something like that. So just wanted to throw that in real quick. I will have the link to that website in the description as well.
This is my favorite part, right here. Let's go. favorite part.